10th graders, I'm back again with another video, and those who recognize the background, yes, I'm in Vilepale. Those who don't know about this is my Parla branch. Since I'm here already, I thought I'd record a quick scene with you guys. The last thing we did was Act 3, Scene 3. I told you we are not doing Act 3, Scene 2 yet, so I'm going to start off with Act 3, Scene 4 today, alright? Before we do Act 3, Scene 4, I want to give you a quick recap about Act 3, Scene 2. Because Act 3, Scene 2, although I haven't taught it on video yet, you need to know the storyline, because where Act 3 Scene 2 ends, the Act 3 Scene 4 takes off, okay? In Act 3 Scene 2, Bassanio chooses the right casket, gets Portia as his wife. Before they could celebrate, people from Venice have come in to inform him about Antonio's plight, okay? So Antonio's in trouble and Bassanio is worried, but Portia says, you don't need to stay here. You've got all my money now, officially you're my husband, तो obviously मेरा सारा पैसा तेरा है, उस ज़माने में चलता था ये सब, okay? So मेरा पूरा पैसा तेरा है, take my money and go save your friend, alright? Go save your best friend, alright? And Bassanio leaves for Venice. Now, in Belmont, we are left with Portia, we are left with Nerissa, we are left with Jessica, we are left with Lorenzo, because they all had come in, okay? वो details तुम लोग Act 3 Scene 2 में मिलेगा. So right now in Act 3 Scene 4 अपने पास Portia है, Nerissa है, Jessica है, Lorenzo है. Also we've got Balthazar, okay? He's a new character that you'll be seeing in, okay? He's one of the trusted servants of Portia, okay? He's like the Katappa, okay? To Bahubali's mom, alright? So that's Act 3 Scene 4. We are starting now. Madam, although I speak it in your presence, okay? Now why would he start a line with although I speak it in your presence? He is obviously in her presence. But the reason वो बोलता है कि I'm saying it in your presence is because जब हम लोग किसी की तारीफ उनके मुंह पे करते हैं, it's almost as if you're flattering the person, okay? And he's admitting to it. He says, मैं जानता हूँ कि आपको लगेगा मैं आपको वो मस्का लगाने की ट्राई कर रहा हूँ, आपको फ्लैटर करने की ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. He says this because Portia and Lorenzo have just met, you know, they've met in Act 3 Scene 2. वो लोग बचपन से दोस्त नहीं है, so it's a bit odd, you know. तो अपने भाभी जी को जाके बोल रहा है कि भाभी जी मेरे को पता है कि आप एकदम चिल्ड हो, आप एकदम कूल हो और मैं आपकी तारीफ कर रहा हूँ आपके मुंह पे, तो आपको ये ना लगे कि मैं आपको मस्का लगा रहा हूँ बिकॉज आप बहुत अमीर भी हो. तो वो क्लैरिफाई करता है, वो बोलता है although I speak it in your presence, you as in Portia, have a noble and true conceit. Okay, here you need to understand the meaning of conceit. Those who know English well and those who already know the meaning of conceit will be confused here, because conceit, as you know, is actually vanity, it's pride, okay? But there are other meanings as well. So over here it means notion, it means idea. You have a noble and true conceit. The meaning of conceit here is understanding. You have a noble and true understanding of God-like amity. God-like is divine and amity is friendship. You have a noble and true understanding of divine friendship. किसके दोस्ती की बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग? जय वीरू तो नहीं हो सकता है. So we are talking about Antonio and Bassanio. So Bhavi ji, you have a noble and true conceit. You have a noble and true understanding of God-like amity between Antonio and Bassanio, which appears. ये जो which है, that is your conceit. ये जो understanding है आपकी, वो झलक रही है. I can see that you're bearing the absence of your Lord. I can see that you're in pain. You really miss your Lord. You really miss Bassanio. You were still okay with letting him go. So I understand the pain, you know. So this pain of yours shows that you truly understand the friendship between Antonio and Bassanio. But if you knew how true a gentleman you send relief, okay, this gentleman over here is Antonio. If you knew how dear a lover he is, which simply means how much he loves your husband, my lord, Bassanio. So if you knew how much Antonio loves Bassanio, then you would be prouder. You'd be more proud of your work than customary bounty could enforce you. वो बोल रहा है, if you knew ना, मैं जानता हूँ कि you're feeling bad about sending Bassanio to help a stranger, because for Portia, Antonio is a stranger. वो जानती थोड़ी है उसको, पर उसने Bassanio पे भरोसा करके Bassanio को जाने दिया. तो बोल रहा है, I know that you're feeling bad. I know that you're trying to bear his absence. But if you knew how true a gentleman Antonio is, if you knew how true a lover Antonio is of your husband, my lord Bassanio, then you would be more proud of your work. Now, if I'm an ICSE examiner, I would ask you this question. What does work refer to here? So the work refers to Portia's gesture of not only allowing Bassanio to go to Venice, but also helping him with the money that he needs in order to rescue Antonio. Okay? So you would be prouder of this work than customary bounty. Customary bounty together is your regular habit of helping people. So I know that you are a person who is very generous. I know you're a person who likes to help people, but you would be prouder of your deed if you knew the person you're sending help to. I hope this made sense to you. I'm moving to Portia's dialogue. Portia says, I never did repent in doing good. मेरे को कभी बुरा नहीं लगा है, हमारे साथ काफी बार ये होता है. If you are at a traffic signal and you give money to a beggar and then you see that beggar running off and giving the money to someone else, you realize that यार ये पैसा waste है, वो दारू वारू में डाले. It makes you reconsider your choice. You do something good and then you feel bad about it. All right, it often happens to everyone. But Portia says, whenever I do something good, I never repent it. Especially right now, okay? In this case, I don't repent it. I don't regret it. मेरे को बिल्कुल बुरा नहीं लग रहा है. Because नहीं दिया वहाँ पे. The word is for. For is because. For in companions. The companions over here are Antonio and Bassanio. For companions that spend time together. Spend is not the word used. The word is waste. Companions that waste time. It's old English. It doesn't mean कि यार ये लोग लुक्के time waste कर रहे हैं. No, waste over here is spend. Okay? So companions that spend time together. Point number 1. Companions that converse together, point number 2, or companions whose souls bear an equal yoke of love. Souls bear, matlab whose souls have an equal yoke of love, matlab equal amount of love for each other. So 3 points हो गए मेरे यहाँ पे to easily remember. First, companions that waste time together, spend time together, companions that converse together, companions जो बहुत बातें करते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ, और companions whose souls have an equal amount of love for each other. मैंने काफी बार देखा कि इन companions में, ऐसे दोस्तों में, okay, there must be needs. matlab it is observed. It is observed that they have a like proportion matlab an equal amount of what? So equal amount of lineaments matlab characteristics, okay, of lineaments, of manners and of spirits. So lineaments, manners and spirits are my keywords, alright? So if companions, I've noticed that दोस्त जो बहुत टाइम साथ में स्पेंड करते हैं, दोस्त जो काफी बातें करते हैं, दोस्तों जिनको एक दूसरे के लिए काफी प्यार है, I've often noticed that these guys, these friends have the same amount of features, they have the same manners, they have the same intention. Spirit is intention. ये लोग काफी alike होते हैं. If this belief of mine is true, then it's obvious that Bassanio and Antonio are similar to each other. Now, readers know that that's not true. I mean, दोनों की personality में बहुत फर्क है, but what Portia is trying to say is, दिल से दोनों साफ है, दिल से दोनों ही अच्छे लोग होंगे. Okay, so I'm reassured that Antonio must exactly be like Bassanio. Okay, if that is true, if जो मैंने अभी बोला वो सही है कि if Antonio and Bassanio are alike, because Antonio being the bosom lover of my lord, bosom lover is best friend. If Antonio is really my husband's best friend, then how little is the cost that I have bestowed? How little, matlab is how little. अब उसका क्या मैं explain करूँ? So how little is the cost that I have bestowed? Bestowed is spent. How little is the amount that I have spent in order to save somebody like Bassanio? मैं 7 समुंदर पार कर लूंगी to save someone like Bassanio, somebody who is a semblance of my soul. Okay, so and ये जो मैंने किया वो कुछ भी नहीं है. So I would do anything to save someone who is similar to my Lord, who is similar to Bassanio, who is the semblance of my soul. Semblance is resemblance. Matlab the word comes from there. Okay? So semblance of my soul. Soul over here is Bassanio. Semblance of my soul together is Antonio. So I have done nothing to save Antonio. It's not a big deal. Okay? And ये बातें ना मुझे नहीं अच्छी लगती है. I am awesome. अभी मैं कितना खुद की तारीफ करूं. So let's change the topic. Alright? So I don't want to talk about this now. In fact, I have something else to tell you, Lorenzo. Portia tells Lorenzo कि बेटा मेरे को तेरे से दूसरा काम है अभी. I commit unto your hands. Okay? I commit unto your hands. मतलब I give you the responsibility of the husbandry and manage. Keywords. Husbandry and manage is care. The care of my house. Basically, I want you guys to chill at my house now. मेरे घर का ध्यान रख. फ्रिज में से तेरे को जो खाना पीना है खा, स्विमिंग पूल में नाच, तू पार्टीज रखते रहो, जो करना है कर. ओके, लोरेंसो को क्या टेंशन है?